Okay, great. So, good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining the house party. So, please note that we are recording this meeting. So, if you have any issues, please exit the meeting. But what is that we are going to discuss now is that we are doing three things. First thing is we are doing house party. That is, we'll be playing one nice game which I have scheduled for you guys. For that, you would need one more instrument. So maybe you should be taking this. You should be able to see the screen because I'll be throwing some questions on the screen, and you have to see that and answer on your mobile phones or any other device. So, or if you can manage, I'll dictate the questions and you can see and answer accordingly. But this will be a little tough game because if you are using only one instrument, it will be tough. So second thing is we'll be taking group photo. I have enabled grid view in my computer, so we'll be taking group photo of all the participants. Almost like 70 people have joined, so we'll take group photo of all of us. So it will be really nice to have this as souvenir at the end of the hackathon. And last thing is we'll be talking about what you will have to do next. First, I'm after this submission of your slide deck, which you have done very few minutes ago, and after that, what is that we'll be doing in the hackathon. So, having said this, let's start off with the first activity. But before that, I would like to congratulate all of you for doing amazing work during the hackathon. You started yesterday, and yesterday morning we were talking like this, and after that you formed your team. I know you had to struggle to get your mentors, and finally you got very good mentors. I hope they helped you. If not, also they're helping me in evaluating somebody's project. So many of your mentors are right now evaluating the project. That's why I made it participants only for this party what we are trying to do now. And last thing is, after we are done with everything, let's unmute all the mics and then maybe do some noise so that it's get recorded and see how weird, whether your system will crash or my system or Google Meet itself will crash. So with this, let's start with the first game. So I'll be sharing my screen. I want all of you to open one. So let me, yeah. So I hope all of you can see my screen. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. So now what you have to do is you have to go to kahoot.it. So I will tell you which website. So you can use the same. Okay, what you can do is you can use the same device or you can use different device. But if you use same device, you will be little delayed, so you may not be the winner. So just make sure that open this link kahoot.it and enter the game pin. While giving your name, give properly so that it's easier for us to interact and yeah, people are joining. You can see your names on the screen. If you have two devices or borrow your device from your your father, mother, your parents, your sister, brother, or your friend who is sitting next to you, so that it's easier. You need not log in or anything. It's just that you have to use this link and start doing. Okay, out of 72 of you, 17, 20 players have joined, which is good. So we have Swarna, Pranjal, Dhruv, Tarun, Nikhil, Dev, Kirti, Pallavi, Sauparnika, Nikhil, Jafar Lassi has joined. Nikita, Sahana, Tarun, Shashidhar Pai, Santosh, Yasin. I hope you guys are able to hear me. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
awesome.
Yes, sir.
Ajay RLJ, Reliance Jio. Suraj, Santosh, Arctic Ant 51. Vijay has joined. Out of 74, we just have 36 players. We'll wait for some more time. As soon as we reach 50, maybe we'll start playing. So by the time when people start joining, I have some. So how will this game work? Let me explain. So I have around 15 questions framed for you. So those 15 questions are related to random things like general knowledge. COVID-19, I'm not given. I'm given only one question because that's what we are doing in this hackathon. We are fed up with COVID-19, so I didn't give much questions on that. I've given only one question out of 15 questions. In the and rest all of them are like very generic, general knowledge questions. Technology also I'm not given anything because we are already doing a lot of technology nowadays, online classes and so on and so forth. So I've given most of your general knowledge questions. So I'm sure you love the questions and you'll be happy to answer them, or at least if you're not answering them, you will understand something new today. If the I mean So I'll be the final person who will be judging this particular game. If the answer is wrong, the wrong itself is the right answer. So whatever I marked as right, I've taken, I mean, all precautions such that the answers are correctly marked. But in case something is wrong, so whatever is wrong is right for all of you. So second thing I wanted to tell you is how you have to play this. On the screen, I'll be showing you question and some four symbols and colors. You have to see that question and immediately answer those question in your on your screen. So this is how you have to play. For example, I'll ask you, when is World's Environment Day celebrated? So options, there'll be four options in four different colors. uh, September 5th, June 5th, May 5th, January 5th. So you have to select May 5th, so and June 5th. So this is one of the option which you have to select. While you are selecting, you should ensure that you are selecting the proper color because the answer won't be visible on the screen which you are trying to play now. We have one participant, COVID-19. Oh, it's good that COVID-19 has also joined us for the hackathon, and also to beat COVID-19 itself. So I guess 57 players is good enough. 56 players, which is good enough. I guess we can start off with this. There is music playing, but I don't want to play the music because it will create some noise. So let's not play the music. So are you guys good to go? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But by the way, any one of you have
Yes,
used
sir.
Kahoot before?
What, sir?
Have you guys used this Kahoot.it before?
Nope.
I usually use this in my classes or some of the workshops which I do. So if you have attended any of my events, you would have known how it works. Anyways, first question. By the way, how does it decide if all of you give the right answer? How does it decide? So each question is divided, given only 20 seconds for you to answer, and whoever answers faster and correct all 15 questions, even but make sure you're very fast because this is more like Kaun Banega Crorepati, fastest finger first. So whoever answers correctly and faster, they'll be the winners of this. So somebody's streaming, I don't know why. Okay, so we'll start. We have 60 players. This is good. So let's start. All your eyes on the screen. And one, two, three, start. So you have your first question for this party. Three, two, and one. Start. So which country will host the World Environment Day 2020? Colombia, Mongolia, Canada, China. Click the correct shape and color. So I've given you sufficient time, 20 seconds. Zero. So out of 61 players or 60 plus players, we have only few players who were able to answer. So Colombia will be hosting or have hosted, let's assume, because the Environment Day was yesterday. So Colombia have hosted this year. So we'll go to the next question. Before that, let's see the leaderboard. We'll see who is on top. Dheeraj is on top because he already knows how to play on Kahoot. That's why he's on top maybe. Aditya is second. Akhila is third. Shashidhar Pai fourth. Aman is fifth. So if you see the marks, it's very subtle difference between last four. Dheeraj is highest. So let's go to the next question. 1, 2, 3. Next question on your screen. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2020? Air pollution, biodiversity, 7 billion people, one planet, consume with care. Raise your voice, not the sea level. So 20, 30 people have answered. Rest of you, please answer fast. You have 5 more seconds. 47, 48, 49, 50. Last second. Done. So we have almost 57 people answered. The right answer is the biodiversity. All others are wrong answers, though it looks correct, but this year theme is biodiversity. So let's go to the next. So save the earth. Let's go to the next question. But before that, let's see the leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard. I'll leave you a couple of seconds to understand how this game works. So I'm sorry, there was a call from one of the evaluator for some doubt about some of the team. So yeah, so coming back to the quiz, so this is what is the leaderboard. Let's go to the screen where Urvi is first, Dandy is second, Likith third, Ronton fourth, Dheeraj is fifth. Dheeraj has climbed down, but Shravya is the highest climber by 56. So let's go to the next question on your screen. 1, 2, 3, start. So your third question, how did the Guptas run India? They left local government in place and in hands of allies. They expanded India past the Mauryan dynasty. They dismantled the caste system and created a democracy. They became a theocracy centered around Hinduism. So 50 people have answered, and the right answer is they left governments in place and in the hand of allies. So let's see the leaderboard. So who is on top? Likith is on top. Urvi is second. Dandy is third. Ronton is fourth. Vaishnavi is fifth. But 40 places they have climbed. Who has climbed? Yo Mama. Okay, Yo Mama, Yo Yo. So he or she has climbed 40 places. So let's go to the next question on your screen. 1, 2, 3, go. So your fourth question is, what is the full form of COVID-19? China virus 19, coronavirus 19, coronavirus disease 19, CV19. This is what WHO has defined, not what Trump has defined. So we have almost everybody answers, 58 of them. So the right answer is coronavirus disease 19. Somebody really hates China. I guess they have told China virus 19. Yeah. So COVID full form is coronavirus disease 19. 19 because it started in 2019. So yeah, this is COVID-19. And let's go to the next question. Before that, let's see the leaderboard. Who has climbed up? Likith is on the top position, retained the same position. Ronton is second, Dandy third, Aman fourth, Abhishek, that's not me, some other Abhishek is fifth position. So fine, let's go to the next question. Next question on your screen. 1, 2, 3, go. So fifth question is, when do we celebrate Earth Day? Not Environment Day, Earth Day. March, April, December, or August? We have 55 answers, 57, 58 answers by end of it. So the right answer is April 22nd. So it's celebrated on April 22nd. So April is the month is the right answer. Let's see how many of you have given right answer, rather who is on the leaderboard. So Likith is on top, Ronton second, Dandy third, Aman, and Yo Mama has really climbed very fast. I hope he doesn't win, he or she, because it will be very tough to identify who that is. By the way, great going, Jafar. You are 38 places up. You are the highest climber in this. So the next question on your screen, sixth one. What Google app is this? Very famous app nowadays. BMSC is using Gmail, Docs, Slides, Classroom. Very easy answer. You can't give this wrong because all of you have taken exam using this app. Who is that one person who has said Google Docs? It's not Google Docs, it's Google Classroom. All of you are using that same for your second test. And you had used that. And for your third test also, you'll be using the same Google Classroom, which is online. So gear up, people. After the hackathon, again, you have to go back to start studying. So next thing on your screen, next question. Before that, leaderboard. Likith is retained his position on top. Ronton, Dandy, Yo Mama have climbed up. Aman has climbed, and 15 players just hit answer streak 3. Likith, are you there? Hi, Likith, can you talk? We can't hear you. So, Ronton is here. You have to unmute yourself and talk. Yes, no? Okay. Likith, Ronton are not there, so they don't qualify to get the prizes. Dandy is here. Yeah, Dandy.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello.
Hello. Who is this?
Yeah, sir. This is Tanmay.
Tanmay, where are you out of? What's your pseudo name in this game?
Oh, I joined the game late, so I didn't think my name will be visible. So I just gave a random name from this TV show called Impractical Jokers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you are Dandy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. Who is Yo Mama? Yo Mama on the call. Can you come in and unmute yourself? Okay. Aman is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Aman. Which department you're from?
Information science.
Which year?
Second.
Oh, second year. Dandy, which department you are in?
Sir, CS.
Likith, right? What's your name?
No, Tanmay.
Yes, Tanmay. Okay. CS,
Hello.
computer science. Yeah. who
Yes,
is
sir.
this?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, this is Ronton.
Oh, Ronton.
Yes. My
What's
mic
your
was working earlier.
actual name?
Rohan, sir. Rohan Satish.
Oh, Rohan. Okay. Which department? Which year?
EC third year. Sir.
Okay, cool. So let's continue the game. We'll go to the next one. So next question on the screen. Seventh question. CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. You should be knowing this. So few more seconds. Recently also in the newspaper, on media, he was there. Elon Musk. But there are 5 people who doesn't know him. No worries, just Google him. Google his name, Google about SpaceX, Google about Tesla. So SpaceX was the first private agency which has launched its own, other than NASA in US or anywhere in the world, first private agency which has invested and launched its own satellite. So let's go to the next one. Before that, let's see the leaderboard. Likith is still retained. Rohan Ronton alias Ronton is still retained. Dandy Tanmay is still there. Yo Mama, who is missing in this conversation, is still retained his position. Dhruv has come up top 5. 10 places we have Srikhara, who has climbed 10 places. So whoever it is, can you please unmute yourself? Vignesh, please unmute yourself. Let's go to the next question on the screen. So, eighth question: when did Google purchase YouTube? (2005, 2009, 2004, 2006). Right answer is 2006. That's when it was acquired. Google purchased YouTube. So let's go to the next question. Before that, leaderboard. Likith has still retained his position. Rohan is still there. Ronton, Yo Mama is also still there. Aditya has come inside in top 5. Saupanika also have come in. So Aditya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Which department? Which year?
So, ISC second year.
Oh, a lot of ISC people. Saupanika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Which department? Which year?
ECA third year.
Okay, cool. So let's go to the next question on your screen, which is the 9th one. What is Google named after? Google's Googleplexian backrub Google. Google. So we have almost 50 plus people answered. 55. You have 5 more seconds if you want to answer. 2 more, 1 more, and 0. 58 people have answered. Let's see the answer. It's named after Googleplexian. 13 people have answered right, but let's see the right answer. Let's see the leaderboard. So what is the scoreboard? Rohan, you have climbed very up. You are the highest answer streak, and we had Likith, Rohan, Aditya, Sauparnika. Shashi has entered now. Shashi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Which department, which year? Shashi Kiran?
Medical electronics second year, sir.
Oh, wow, my department. Okay, thank you. So let's go to the next question, which is the 10th one. So you have 5 more left after this. Who makes the 5G network? This is wrong question, but you can answer it right. Vodafone, Huawei, Apple. Great. So Right answer is Huawei, but many of them also make, but none of the companies like Vodafone or that unknown company or Apple make this. Out of these, only one can, I mean, one who is making 5G. So let's go to the next question. Before that, leaderboard. Oh, Rohan, you're on top. Likit, you've climbed down. Aditya, Nikhil, SK. Nikhil, hi.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
Which did we speak before? Which department?
Oh, no, second year ISC.
Second year ISC, one more ISC.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the next question on the screen. 11th one. Can you identify this organization logo? WTO, WHO, UN, WFP. It's a little confusing. I hope you'll answer right. We have 5 more seconds. It's United Nations. So you would have thought it's WHO, but there's very small difference between WHO and United Nations logo, the in between one. So 41 of you, I'm sorry, 15 of you have answered right. So I will show the logo again. So this is United Nations. So let's go to the next question. Before that, leaderboard, please. Yeah, your scoreboard. Rohan is still retaining first position. Shashi has really climbed to second. Likit climbed, he has climbed down. And Aditya is there. Nikhil, yeah, fine. So let's go to the next question, which is the 12th one. Can you identify this organization logo? Looks same, but little different. United Nations, WHO, FAO, WTO. Which one? Four of you have answered. 55, 4 seconds remaining. Yeah, 56 of you, 57 of you have answered. The logo is 41. I mean, the right answer is for WHO. 41 of you have answered. So I gave you small hint before this. United Nations and WHO, it looks same. The small serpentine and one pole will make it different. That becomes WHO logo. Let's go to the next question. Before that, scoreboard. Rohan has climbed down. Shashi has come first. Likit, Aditya, Sauparnika. So same set of people. Let's see if some new entry will come. Come on, people, you have to answer very fast. Next question on the screen. 13th one. What is not the main character of Incredible? Dash, Violet, Tiana, Jack Jack. I love all the characters in Incredibles. I hope you follow Incredibles. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59 people have answered. Dash is there, Violet is there, Jack Jack, my favorite character, the cute little boy, is there. Only Tiana is not in Incredibles. So Jack Jack, come on Jack Jack. Okay, let's see who is the next one. So this fellow is Jack Jack, the small guy. So next, go to the next one. Before that, scoreboard. Shashi is on top, Rohan, then Aditya, Nikhil, and Likit. So good going, and great going, Akhila. You're 10 places up compared to your previous. But we have just couple of more questions, I believe, and that will be the deciding question. So 14th one, Aladdin first met the genie where? Train tunnel, cave, abandoned mine shaft, grass of the local park. Very easy question. I hope you guys know who Aladdin is. 50 people have answered correctly. 3, 2, 1. Let's see how many of you have answered correctly. 57. Yeah, 38 people have answered correctly. Train tunnel, I am not sure if trains were there in Aladdin movie or the series. Abandoned mine shaft, no. Grass of the local park, no. Cave, it was found in cave, then he started wiping it to clean it, then genie came out and gave whatever he wants and he became friend. So let's go to leaderboard. Last but one question, this is also deciding one. Shashi is on top, Rohan, Aditya, Saurav, Rijal, and Likith. Saurav, hi.
Hello, sir.
Which department you are in? Which year?
Sir, third year computer science.
Okay, awesome. Many of you are from computer science and information science. Great going. And Mukund is making a comeback, 3 in a row. But let's see the last deciding questions. Who will be on top? What will be the scores? So last question on your screen. 1, 2, 3, go. How many Star Wars movies are there? 11, 13, 8, 9. Easy question to answer.
Star Wars.
Who wants to tell the answer loudly?
9.
Okay, let's see what's the answer. 9? Awesome. So most of you are right, few of you are wrong. So 9, but more, I mean, Star Wars, very nice movie series. Let's see who is on the top and who are our winners. What will winners get? And 1, 2, 3, go. BMSC COVID-19 Hackathon House Party winners. So Saurav Rizal has answered 11 out of 15. He's second. And who is on limelight? Rohan second. Shashi is on limelight. So Shashi, congratulations. You have answered 12 out of 15 questions, right? But see, though Rohan has answered 13 out of 15, but Shashi has answered faster than Rohan in the right answer which he has got. So this is what is the results. So Shashi first, Rohan second, and Saurav third. Round of applause, please, all of you. Can few of you unmute and do? Yeah. So what we do is, let's see if I can dig out the scores of others. Yeah, so Aditya, 4th. Congratulations. Nikhil, 5th. And rest all some other places. So I'm not sure. I'll just see. Okay, let's forget other scores. But yeah, congratulations everyone for playing and completing this game. Few of you may have answered less, more. So we had 96 players. That's what it's saying. I didn't see 96 people. Maybe you've got logged in and logged out. People who did not do at all was few of them. Yeah. So let's do the next thing. So what is next? Yeah, what is the prizes is what is the next question. So prizes. So whenever you finish this lockdown and try to come, I mean, when we reach the regular normal, not the new normal, so then you come and meet me. I'll have some or the other goodie in my office. You can collect. So that may be sometime next week, not next week, sometime in July or August or September, whenever college opens. You can meet me. I'll give you some goodie. I have very nice goodies and lot of collections. I'll give you option to select. So I'll remember or I'll have this results stored. So Shashi, Rohan, Saurav. So you'll come and meet me. So Shashi is from which branch? Computer science, right?
Medical electronics.
Oh, medical electronics. Wow. First, okay. Second, Rohan.
EC, sir.
Electronics. Okay. Saurav.
Sir, from CSE.
Okay, CSE. So great. So we have medical electronics and computer science, and we also have electronics. So all three prizes to different branches, which is good. So this I'll store as a screenshot on my system. Okay. So now what shall we do next? So next thing is I'll stop sharing the tab. So next thing is my Google Meet is looking really good. I will take one screenshot as is now. And second thing is we'll take group photo now. So all of you, can you switch on your camera so that I'll take a great photo. The one which I posted yesterday, it was really amazing. So I have enabled my system such that it will show. So please try to, yeah, I can see people, wow, Let me also switch on my camera. I'm using two, one my iPad and one my computer. So let me switch on both of them, by the way. Oh, I have to take picture also. Okay, great. So for people who haven't switched on the camera, please try to switch on and we'll take one group picture, groupie, selfie. I'll post on Slack group. You can see how nice this is looking. If all of you can switch on, it will be really nice. Trust me, it will be really good. Okay, I've taken two pictures. I'll take one more. Okay. Because not all of you have switched on, it's looking little ugly, but still I have some pictures at least which we can post to our faculties. And okay, then fine. Thank you all. So what's next? Next thing is attendance. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want your attendance. Okay. So what I want to tell next is, what will you do next? So once you have actually finished your, so you have submitted your slide decks, which is really good. I also saw some of the slide decks which are really attractive, very well done. Many of you have also done some kind of prototyping, some designs, some videos, which shows that you are really interested to do something in this pandemic time. So next thing what you should do is right now try to practice your pitches, because I have given deadline to all our evaluators. We have 24 evaluators who are working to evaluate all your slide decks. So I'm not sure if you are able to convince them using the slide decks, but it's the same for all of you. So it's not that we have a few of you are able to, few of you are not able to do. So what you do right now is talk to your team members, make a small group and try to practice slide decks. And if possible, I won't promise, if the evaluation is done and everything, we'll take some top teams and we'll tell you, we'll announce the list on the Slack channel. Those teams have to present it tomorrow for exactly 5 minutes. Trust me, 5 minutes is not too much to convince people. It's very little time and you have to convince. This is this is more like you're an entrepreneur. It's like elevator pitch. So I've given some links how you can win pitch. So having said this, tomorrow at 11 o'clock, I'll be contacting you on Slack channel. Please be active and we'll let you know what you're supposed to do tomorrow when we open the session. But tomorrow, in brief, 5 minutes you practice on explaining. We have one external expert also who have agreed to come and evaluate the presentations. So ensure that you have proper practice, because trust me, if you practice for 5 minutes, if it comes flawlessly, remember many of the talks, including TED Talks also, without practice, they wouldn't be in TEDx speakers or TED speakers. So you guys also have to do it. And this is online. And timers, I won't be showing the timers, so you have to do it. So you have already submitted slides. So I'll take top teams and collate myself into continuous slides so that you can finally see and do. You can present it from yourself and you have to tell me change the slide and then I'll change it for tomorrow. So having said this, we are done with the party. All of you try to go to your kitchens and grab whatever drinks you get from your fridge. and from your refrigerators and drink that. That will be the party. And go pester your mom or your cook or anyone, and they'll give you food. That will be the dinner party. So with this, some of you, if you have any questions, please let us know. Before we finish, let's scream and shout. But send refreshments, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, I'll send. Go to your kitchen. I've already kept some refreshments for you. Sir, when will the results be declared? I have not. I'm not sure based on evaluation. If all the evaluations are done before 8:30 today, I will share the results right away. If not, early morning tomorrow, maybe at 8 o'clock or something. So you get the top teams get some time to prepare. Rest of the teams, you are also welcome to join the presentation so that you get to know why they won and what is that lacking. And I can only see. Okay, sir, on what basis will today's selection happen? So today's selection, as I told you in the previous webinar, also we have exactly shared your slides as is. We haven't done any additions. We have just shared all the links. Those links will be evaluated by a few of the experts. Around 24 people we have identified whom we think they can help us in evaluating very quickly and very faster way. And two evaluators evaluating, and later there is a moderator who will finalize and come up with the list. So that list we'll share it. So don't worry. I would say all of your winners, at least during this pandemic COVID times, you have tried to do something different than all other classmates or all other college mates. So these 250 or 280 people have done something different. So your certificates are getting e-printed, which means it is getting ready. Once it is ready, we'll send it over email to you next maybe give me like 5 weeks or 5 days or 1 week time, and after that I'll send you e-certificates. And we'll also give certificates to your mentors, assuming they've helped all of you. If not, also still there is time, pester them, message them and ask them that presentation slides we want to practice if they have some tips. And we'll also give certificates to evaluators. And with this, I guess if there are no doubts, let's unmute our mics, all of us, and make some noise so that the speaker goes. 1, 2, 3, unmute. Looks like typing. People can shout.
Yeah.
Coffee. Music, please.
Okay, if you want, you can dance as well. Somebody's playing that laughing sound. I hope that person is not okay. You all.
Sir left the meeting. Sir left the meeting.
Let's end the meeting. Bye. Bye. You guys stay continue if you want. I'm leaving. I have another meeting. Bye.
Music. Shashi? ಸರ್ರೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
किया तो मैं देश छोड़ दूंगा. जावेद अख्तर का बयान.
ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ದೋಸ್ತೋ.
पहली
जय हिंद.
कोई जरूरत नहीं हिंदुस्तान को तेरी. पहली फुर्सत में भोसड़ी के निकल. समझा.
ಯಪ್ಪ.
पहली टिकट निकाल.
कैरी मिनिटी का लगा ना.
ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಚಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ಲಾ.
टिंको
ಹಲೋ ಚಕ್ಷಯ್, ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋ.
इधर अक्षय इधर अक्षय इधर
ಏನು
शशिन इधर
ಶೀರಾ.
शशि इधर
ಕಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಲೋ ಶಶಿ.
शशि
ML ಸರ್, ML ಹುಡುಗ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ.
ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಲಕ್ಕು. ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್.